First, I draw grids. For big size art, grid method is a good option. Then I erase it for painting. Now it's clean. I can start paint now. For accurate painting, you need to make your own color shades. Don't use paint direct from tubes. It's very important for making paintings similar to reference. Now time to eyes. I use pencil colors for more details. Now I paint Makima's beautiful hairs. For more tutorials, subscribe this channel. Always try to use black color in last. With shadows, painting looks more attractive. Now I use soft pastel colors for smoothness. It's ready now. Thanks for watching.